Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Peri Pera Velvety Lip Tint, Pretty Orange Pink. Let's get started. Opening it, it's actually really cute, tiny packaging. I would say it's about 2 full inches of product that you get. And then I think it's really cute that it has like this bottle dropper opening to it. But let's go ahead and see what it smells like. The lip tint has a really light scent to it. It's almost florally in a way. I wouldn't know how else to describe it other than like a cosmetic florally scent. Upon first application, it's very slippery, really lightweight. The scent isn't strong, so I can't really smell it, and it's a really vibrant, almost electric, I would say pink-orange color. In lighting on camera, it looks as bright as it does in real life, and it's a really nice product. I have worn this once or twice before, and what I have noticed is that, so I can leave it on like this, but a couple hours it'll like fade away, but it'll stain my lips. So my lips will be a bit lighter than they currently are now, but it'll leave my lips with a really pretty pink-orange tone to them. And it won't be super bright, but it'll be a nice contrast if you usually go barefaced. That's it for my review. If you liked the video, if you thought it was informative, please leave a like and comment down below. If you have tried this product before, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Subscribe for more content like this. Bye everybody.